Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I'm back again with a new video. What if I tell you that you can earn at least $100 per week? Yes, $100 if you follow these trends. Let's get started. Trend number 1, American race with Cuban roots. As you know, if you were following news, there is a problem going on with USA and Cuba. These are all the designs and you can see great designs, but here are lack of some sticker packs or some sticker designs, so you can also make the sticker. And these topics are on trend, as you all know. You can see here, and the search results as well. And for me, political topics or trends work best, just like this one. You can also make designs on trends like make Cuba great again, straight out to Cuba, made in Cuba, freedom for Cuba. Just like these designs, you can make sticker packs, mask. I'm also looking, I cannot see here mask as well. You can put mask as a front image here as well. You can search more and let me know. Trend number 2, I got fish to catch. This is the fishing niche, and fishing niche on print on demand is very big. You should definitely making designs on it, as I have made designs on it last year and made a lot of sales. You should make at least 5 designs on this trends, cross niche this trend with birthday niches. You guys should jump in this within that trend. You can see guys, the search results are very low, and we can see here some sticker, but we cannot see here the mask. So put some designs for masks as well. Trend number 3 is pay me like a white man. Yeah, pay me, or everybody loves pay, or the check rules. Now this is the simple text based designs, as you can see here, and I hope you guys could make it very easily using Canva or some other tools. You can also add the text with some graphics. This is a funny saying text based designs. It is also related to the business sayings and money sayings. So guys, you should go for it. And you can see here there are a lot of cute designs. Here you can see the cap design and the sticker, and here again we are lacking some masks design, so make designs on mask as well. Here the next trend is trend number 4, skateboarding is a crime. Well, there is a question for you guys. Hell no, skateboarding is not a crime, and it's very cool sport. I also do skateboards when I was a child or in teenage. Here is a trend going on when the Olympics start. In Olympics they don't have the skateboarding as a sport, so there is a trend with 795 results. I think you guys should go for it. Again, make at least 5 designs on it and you will definitely make sales. And if you guys see here, skateboarding is a crime, not an Olympic sport. Yeah, skateboarding should be in Olympics as well. And you can see here the caps. We are lacking sticker packs here, some sticker. And again, here you can see skateboarding is not a crime, a very cool design. This is also a good one. This is the one. Yeah, I like it. And again, no mask, no designs. Again, you guys should target designs for mask as well. As you can see, there are no mask, and people, again, coronavirus is again hunting all over the world, so you guys should make designs for masks. Trend number 5, lacrosse. I cannot say how to pronounce it. Lacrosse USA American flag. This is a design with 433 results. Lacrosse is a sport. Basically, I searched it on Google. Basically it's a sport played with lacrosse stick and a lacrosse ball. It is the oldest organized sport in the North America by indigenous people of the eastern woodlands. You can see here the images as well. You can see popping the images. You can also see the popping images on the screen as well. This is the sport, and this is the stick, and this is the ball. So guys, give it a try. It is worth it, and make designs lacrosse ball or stick. And you can see here a lacrosse stick on American flags. Here, this is the one. This is a cute one. This is the, so you guys should definitely give it a try and let me know in the comment section. In the end guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.